Hello students of Standard 5th. Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Mishra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Dear students, today we will continue with the same topic from your practice book, Prepositions. Worksheet number 4, Abhimanyu is celebrating his birthday at his home with his friends. He is telling his friends about the location of his house. He has a layout of his colony. Go through the map carefully. Layout of Abhimanyu's colony. You can see here Malview Street, Post Office, Bank, Bookshop, Sport Shop, Hotel, 2nd Avenue, Vivekanand Street, Kabir Street, Park, School, March Avenue, then gas station, subway, petrol pump, cinema hall, Swaminathan Street, and finally there is Abhimanyu's home. Now let us complete the explanation using the aid box given below. This is the layout of our next colony. The bank is near to the post office. There is a bookshop dash the Vivekanand Street where we will be able to find Harry Potter books. The sports shop is dash. The hotel is at the Kabir Street. The subway is dash the Swaminathan Street and March Avenue. The supermarket where we go to buy grocery is situated dash the school. The gas station is dash the supermarket. The cinema hall is behind the petrol pump and my house is in front of the petrol pump. Please be on time. So dear students, already some prepositions are done for you. Remaining you have to fill. Raju has gone to Greece for a holiday. He has written a letter to his best friend Rinku. But he has made some mistakes of prepositions. So let us underline the incorrect words and insert the correct ones. Hotel, Stanford, Pickery Street, Greece, 3rd of April 2000. Dear Rinku, we arrived on Greece 3 days ago. Here, on is incorrect. In place of on, at will come. It's fantastic. We are staying on a beautiful villa. Again here, on this preposition is incorrect. Correct preposition is in. The view of the sea of here is fantastic. Again here, in this sentence, for is incorrect. From will come. In the same way, dear students, read the remaining lines and underline the incorrect words and insert the correct ones. Let's move towards worksheet number 6. Students of class 5th are puzzled. Their teacher has given them a series of signals. Help them label the symbols with correct prepositions of movement. Dear students, now label the symbols using the aid box: down, from, into, off, onto, out, off, round, to, up. Already some are done for you. First one indicates from, fifth one indicates out, and ninth one indicates up. In the same way, label the symbols which are remaining. Dear students, here we finish our today's session. We will continue with the same topic in our next session. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.